Hello to all. So this video is the continuation part of the effect of light intensity on photosynthesis. And here we are supposed to do our discussion and inference part on the experiment which I have already discussed in the previous video. But before I proceed, I want to inform you all that due to lack of space on my board, I have to make 2 to 3 videos for one single topic. So this video is not having the complete discussion on this hydrilla bubbler experiment, and for that you have to watch my next video related to this topic. So I want to mention the scientist's name who actually did this experiment, and his name was Volkoff, and therefore we commonly called this experiment as Volkoff's hydrilla bubbler experiment. So as you can see on the board, first is the observation table, and it is divided into two main parts. First is the bright sunlight condition, and the second one is diffuse sunlight condition. If you remember that under bright sunlight condition, total 19 number of bubbles were released for 1 hour, and similarly for diffuse sunlight condition, total 9 bubbles were released for 1 hour. So if we infer this whole experiment, I would like to say that first, for high light intensity or bright sunlight condition, there are 3 main points under the point inference. These are increase in the photolysis of water due to bright sunlight condition or high light intensity. Here photolysis is basically, as I have already discussed, is basically the splitting of water molecule due to presence of sunlight, and if we increase the intensity of light, intensity is basically the strength of sunlight. So if we increase the strength or intensity of light or sunlight, then the rate of photolysis will increase, and due to increase in the rate of photolysis, increase in the evolution of oxygen or increase in the release of oxygen. So due to this, increase in the number of bubbles. These 3 points are meant for high light intensity or bright sunlight intensity condition, that is condition A, and these 3 parts will just reverse for low light intensity condition or diffused light condition. Points to be noted down are: rate of photosynthesis depends on light, which is divided into 3 main parts. These are light quality, light intensity, and light duration. Rate of photosynthesis is directly proportional to light intensity, and this was first demonstrated by the scientist Volkoff, and he actually gave a statement which was like, when light intensity increases from 100 to 3000 foot candles is the unit of intensity, light intensity. So by Volkoff, if we increase the light intensity from 100 to 3000 foot candles, then the rate of photosynthesis will increase manifold. So you need to remember the scientist's name and the value, that is 100 to 3000 foot candles. This is very important. This point is very important. So please watch the next video as to finally conclude with this topic. Thank you.